Dealing with layoffs is an unfortunate reality in the tech industry where shifting market demands, economic pressures, and organizational restructuring can lead to workforce reductions. If you've recently been laid off or you know someone who has, it's essential to approach the situation strategically. Here's how to cope, rebuild, and thrive after a layoff. Experiencing a layoff can trigger the 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance, each playing a unique role in the emotional process. At first, denial may manifest as disbelief, making it hard to grasp the reality of the situation. Anger can follow, directed at the company, managers, or even the broader economic climate. During bargaining, you might find yourself wishing things could have gone differently, replaying scenarios where the layoff might have been avoided. Depression may settle in as the weight of uncertainty about the future takes hold, but this stage is also a time for self-reflection. And finally, acceptance brings clarity and readiness to move forward, allowing you to channel your energy into rebuilding your career. Recognizing these stages can help you process your emotions constructively and emerge stronger. It doesn't help that layoffs tend to happen at the start or during Q4 of the calendar year, which is right before the holidays. And of course, companies tend not to hire during this time, and there's an uptick in available jobs starting in late January. Being unemployed and uncertain about your future during the holidays is hard, but you should focus on the good in your life and spend time with family and friends who understand your situation. After a layoff, reviewing your finances is a critical first step to maintaining stability. Start by evaluating your savings, expenses, and any severance or unemployment benefits available. Identify essential expenses and areas to cut costs, such as pausing subscriptions, reducing dining out, or renegotiating bills like insurance or utilities. Simultaneously, consider opportunities to generate passive income. For instance, creating content on platforms like YouTube can be rewarding in terms of sharing knowledge, building a following, and earning ad revenue or sponsorships over time. Additionally, explore selling digital products like ebooks, launching a podcast, or offering an online course in your area of expertise. Diversifying income streams not only cushions financial pressures, but also opens new avenues for long-time growth. A layoff can be a pivotal moment to reevaluate your career goals and align them with your passions and skills. Consider whether you want to stay in your current field or pivot to a new role or industry. Reflect on what aspects of your previous job brought you fulfillment and where you felt limited. This is also a chance to explore emerging trends such as AI or green technology and determine if your skills align with these growing sectors. Setting clear, actionable goals can help you focus your job search and steer your career in a more satisfying direction. The tech industry evolves rapidly, and staying competitive often requires continuous learning. Use your downtime to sharpen existing skills or acquire new ones. Some of the resources available include online platforms. Websites like Pluralsight, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses in programming, project management, and more. Consider certifications like AWS, Google Cloud, or Scrum Master to boost your resume. Look out for hackathons or coding meetups via meetup.com, where open source contributions are often encouraged. Your professional network can be invaluable in helping you find new opportunities. Reach out to former colleagues, mentors, and industry contacts to let them know you're seeking your next role. Update your profile to reflect your most recent achievements and post about your job search if you feel comfortable with that. Attend local or virtual industry meetups to expand your connections. And leverage alumni associations or previous employer networks for job leads. A strong cover letter and resume can set you apart in a competitive job market. Tailor your resume to each role by highlighting relevant skills and quantifiable achievements, such as led a team of 10 developers to deliver a project 20% under budget. For the cover letter, avoid generic statements and instead demonstrate enthusiasm for the company and role by connecting your experience to their mission and needs. Keep both documents concise, well formatted, and free of errors to leave a lasting impression on hiring managers. Remember to customize your applications to reflect the unique requirements of each role. A generic resume or cover letter is less likely to stand out. Consider alternative career paths if traditional full-time roles are not immediately available. Some of your options include freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and TopTal connect tech professionals with project-based work. Consulting. Offer expertise to smaller companies or startups on a short-term basis. Or entrepreneurship. Use your skills to launch a side hustle or a startup idea. Layoffs, while painful, can serve as a turning point for growth. By approaching the situation with a clear plan and a positive mindset, you can emerge stronger, more skilled, and ready for the next phase of your career. You can learn more about setting yourself up for success and standing out above the crowd in my book, Lead Developer Career Guide. Learn the skills you need to move through your tech career with expert advice on mentoring teams, handling clients and project managers, and keeping your head in emergencies. You can buy it now on Amazon, and there's a link in the description.